Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my home decor favorites with you. My friend Amber from Housewife Glam Life tagged me in this tag. So it's just a bunch of questions talking about some of your home decor favorites, what you prefer, and everything like that. I know I recently did do a home tour and I talked a little bit about everything, but I thought this would still be fun. So, and as I'm answering these questions, I will show you some of the stuff I'm talking about. And then at the end, on the last question, I will tag some of you that I want to see do this next. So let's go ahead and get started. Number one is, do you rent or own your home? We own our home and we've lived here, since almost 6 years. It does not seem that long. Number two, what state do you live in? If you follow me, you know I'm an Okie. We live in Oklahoma. Number three, what is the exterior style of your home? I won't be showing the outside of my home, but I may show my front porch to you guys, and I think it's just like considered traditional. I don't know. I'm not good with things like that, so it's brick. I know that much. Number four, is your home a fun fixer-upper or a new home? I don't know about fun, but it definitely is a fixer-upper. This house was built maybe in the 1980s. I think it's like 1983 specifically. There are lots of cracks in the walls, bulges. It's older, it's got character. There's a lot of things that need to be fixed up with it, but I don't mind doing those things. I actually think those kind of things are fun. So it is a fixer-upper and we like it. Let's see. Number five, what style do you decorate your home? I tend to lean more farmhouse, but I like homey farmhouse. So I don't want you to walk into my house and feel like you're in a showroom. I want you to walk in and feel like things are older and you're comfortable and you're cozy and you know what I'm talking about. So I guess just like cozy farmhouse. Let's see. Number six, who is your biggest styling inspiration? I really do like Joanna Gaines, but like I said before, I like to decorate in cozy farmhouse, and I feel like a lot of her homes that she redoes kind of look like a showroom farmhouse, and that's just not what I'm going for. It's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I don't want someone to walk in and feel like they can't sit down on a pristine white couch. You know what I'm saying? So I love to take aspects from her, but I also just like to walk in to like thrift stores or Hobby Lobby and just see how things are done, what they have, and then I start to put together something in my head. Number seven, what is your favorite piece of decor you own? I'm a very sentimental person, so it is probably the love shelf that my husband built me, or the floating shelves that my husband built me, or the TV stand. I don't know what else. What else could be? I really like my canvases of my family. Oh, I also like the wood plank that I have on my collage wall with our handprints on it. I don't know, I'm just a sentimental person. So anything that I can relate to like my family or associate with a memory is always gonna be my favorite. Number eight, where is your favorite place to buy decor? I really like Hobby Lobby, but I feel like when you go into Hobby Lobby, everything there says something, which can be really annoying. Like, you don't want to walk into your house and have your guests like spend 10 minutes reading your wall. Just not my favorite. So I really like Hobby Lobby for some stuff. I also really like Marshall's, but they can be kind of pricey on some things. Oh, there's a local decor store. I wish I could tell you guys the name, but it's literally in the town I live in, so I'm just not comfortable doing that. But there's a local decor store and she hand makes everything in there. I'll show you the few pieces that I've picked up from there so far, but I love that store. She prices very similar to Hobby Lobby, so it's very affordable. So that is definitely one of my favorite places to shop, and probably just like garage sales and thrift stores. Number nine, new decor versus thrifty decor. I like both. I really like to decorate with older and unexpected things. As you know, I have like windows and shutters around my house, things that I've repurposed, baskets, things like that. So I really love that older touch to things, and then you add some new things in just to brighten it up and give it some more. So I really like both, but if I can get it thrifty, if I can save money, I'm always gonna go for that. Number 10, Goodwill decor versus garage sale decor. Garage sale decor. Our Goodwill is so overpriced. I don't know what they're thinking. Like, you will go in and you'll see like a candle holder and it'll have a Target dollar spot sticker on the bottom for $1, and they'll have it marked $3. Like, are you kidding me? No, no Goodwill, no. So I really like to go garage selling. We have a citywide garage sale here once a year where like everybody will have garage sales, and I really love to go to go to that event and stock up on decor and things like that. So I love garage selling. Number 11, decor steals versus antique farmhouse. I don't know what that means, so I don't know. Number 12, home goods decor versus Target decor. I like Target decor, but I feel like a lot of their things just don't fit in with what I like. I do like the Joanna Gaines Magnolia home line, but I feel like it's kind of overpriced, and I don't know if it really fits in with my kind of style exactly. I feel like a lot of her pieces are either like off-white or black. And I do like home goods, but I feel like they're kind of pricey, so Marshalls, can I throw that in there? Number 13, Hobby Lobby decor versus Michael's decor. I like Hobby Lobby decor for every day, but I do love Michael's decor for holidays. I feel like they put out really great Halloween, fall, and Christmas decor. Number 14, Ross decor versus TJ Maxx decor. I really like both. TJ Maxx, however, is really far away from me. It's like 30 minutes, but I don't know. I like Ross, but I feel like my Ross, I can't find a lot of good stuff, so probably TJ Maxx. Number 15, online shopping versus store shopping. I'm not an online shopper for really anything. Like, I'll buy some stuff from Amazon, like toys for my daughter, household supplies and stuff like that, but otherwise I'm an in-store shopper. I don't buy clothes online. I don't buy anything really online. I need to feel it, I need to touch it, I need to visualize it, so store shopper. Number 16, spring decor versus summer decor. I don't really know the difference. I normally just leave out like my normal everyday stuff. This was the first year ever that I decorated for spring, and I just added a few tiny touches, and I didn't change anything throughout the summer, so I guess spring decor. Number 17, fall decor versus winter decor. I do love both, but I feel like Christmas I love to decorate for, but by the end I get a little overwhelmed by all of the stuff. So I would say fall, just because it's less stuff usually, and Halloween's my favorite, so. Number 18, HGTV favorite show. I know this is probably kind of surprising. I do like Fixer Upper, but my favorite show to watch on HGTV is House Hunters. I just love shopping for new houses. I feel like if I was going to be anything else in the world, I'd probably be a realtor, except that I have a hard time talking to people, so it would be really hard to like get out of my shell and be like outgoing enough to like talk to people, but I really love that show. It's so entertaining. Number 19, what YouTuber inspires your style the most? Probably Hey It's Terry. I love Terry. She's inspired a lot of my decor, and I also love Brittany Boren Leach. Her house, her style, everything is beautiful. And number 20, who are you going to tag? I will tag Miranda Christine, Caitlin from Mommy in the Making, and Danielle from Daniela Diary. So I would love to see you ladies do this tag, see some of your favorites. All of your homes are beautiful. So that's everything for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you to Amber from Housewife Glam Life for tagging me. I will link Amber's channel down below. Make sure and go check her out. She is so sweet and so nice, and her home is beautiful, as well as all the ladies' channels that I tagged down below. Make sure and go check all of them out. So that's everything for today, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here on Thursday. Bye!